Northwestern Energy is asking state regulators to approve an electric rate increase of $35 million a year for its 360,000 customers in Montana. Yesterday, we looked at how the cost of the Colstrip power plant has become a contentious part of the rate case. Today, in the second of a two-part series, MTN's Mike Dennison looks at another unusual wrinkle in the case, how Northwestern wants to change rates for customers with rooftop solar power systems.
Right now, if you install a solar power system on your home or business, you can get credit from Northwestern Energy for excess electricity that you generate and send back into the grid. It's called a net metered system, and about 2,000 of them exist on Northwestern's system statewide. But in the rate case before the Public Service Commission, the company is proposing to change the electricity rate structure for future net metered customers. Solar power advocates who have intervened in the case say the new rate is not needed and would make rooftop solar systems more expensive to operate.
The use of a demand charge, or the suggested use of a demand charge, is really inappropriate for residential customers. It's hard to understand, it's going to be really expensive for them, and it's going to make it nearly impossible to save money by going solar.
This new demand charge is based on a customer's usage of power during their highest point of consumption during a month. Helena says it could add $50 to $70 a month or more to electric bills for those with net metered systems. Northwestern also is proposing to pay these customers less for the power they produce, but also charge them the same lower amount for any power they have to buy from Northwestern. The company says the change more fairly reflects the net metered customers' cost of using the system.
We want all of our customers to pay their fair share of using distribution and transmission and paying for the electricity that they're using. We don't want one class of customers to be paying more than their fair share.
But solar power advocates say any costs imposed by net meter systems are negligible, and there's little doubt the new rates would harm the solar system installing industry in Montana.
What I've been hearing from our installer members who I've spoken to is that they're kind of looking down the barrel of a loaded gun. They're very nervous about the proposal.
This issue is one of many that PSC must decide as it goes through this rate case, the first in 10 years for Northwestern Energy. And just about all of them have potentially huge impacts for customers and businesses all across the state. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
The PSC will hold an extensive public hearing on the case in May.